Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing the new UFO update in the moon map over there. So yeah, but you'd think I'd be doing this alone? Well no, Bray, Alex, come down. Bray, Alex. Alright guys, These are the two people who are going to be doing it with me, and yeah, let's go. Never mind, make that
everyone go
4.
offline. Everyone go offline.
It's 4 now.
Oh my
I did just try to miss from you
Here.
instead.
You gotta go up there and let the UFO suck us up. Wait.
Yo, I can't believe I'm
We're here!
Once the second I spawned in, I got.
Alright guys, let's go! Let's go!
Scooby.
Wait, I'll be in the front.
Yeah.
It's because I'm bravest anyway. Alright guys, so now we're here. Let's go. We all got our people. We gotta go left. Come on, let's go. There's no monster.
Hello, monster.
No. Ow.
Let's press.
Where'd we go? This is where I was yesterday.
Found it.
Oh, I did this. Oh, it doesn't actually take a lot of damage.
Guys, who's got a weapon?
Let's go.
No, me.
One of you.
Do the thing. He's in a brawl.
No, don't shoot.
I'm sorry.
What do we do? You do.
Yo, you should subscribe to this guy.
Conductor noob.
Yep.
See.
I did that.
Go. Hey!
Go, Power Rangers. Tell us, this is where we got trapped.
Come back.
He's not here!
No, you
He ain't here!
I told you. Oh, that's the Twitch. That look. That's the Twitch.
Our Wi-Fi. And then we'll rock.
I'll meet you in there.
That's not what you have to do.
Alright, I'm through.
Power
Hold up.
Rangers.
Okay, let me do it. How do I connect to it? How do I disconnect? Hold up.
Alex!
Hold up. Take the chill.
Wait, I can go through the floor.
What's the first thing? Quick.
need to get the
Praise through. Okay, we did it.
Rangers.
Oh,
Yeah,
well,
we
that
need to
was
get
easy.
the all.
Let's go. Oh my god!
I got something. I got
Put
a
it in the
rock.
back, Let's go. There's more ore up at the top. Alright guys. Whoa, it's the gun! We found it. We have it. The wireframe gun. We've done it.
Back of pacer. So I
Alright
just tried
guys,
to run and
we
stay
have
out.
the wireframe gun now. Let's go test it. Let's
Wait,
find
shoot
Let's
it back.
I'll shoot it at the mountains. Before we shoot it, we have to reload it, and we'll use the...
Oh, it's the ammo.
Alright, so now that we're here, we're going to shoot something, and you're gonna see what a wireframe gun does. You shoot that clip.
That's sick.
Shoot me. Now, you can also
Shoot me.
shoot players.
Oh
See,
my
look,
gosh,
it outlines
wait.
him entirely.
Yo, nothing working. Nothing's just happened. You just shot that ball, mate.
Oh my!
I did not know it did
Alright,
that much
so
knockback.
we're gonna
not
shoot
gonna lie.
an item now.
It's
We're gonna
okay.
shoot this cheese. Oh my god, wait, the cheese is dimensions.
Wait, what if I eat it?
Wow, so cool.
Alright guys, now we're gonna
Yeah,
try
yeah.
to shoot the water. It does nothing.
Oh, you shot him instead. Whoa, that's sick.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. Bye!
See ya, and subscribe.
Bye.
Subscribe again.
Like and subscribe
Bye.
and comment your favorite color.